السلام عليكم. So we begin our third session on solving the exercises on differential equations. Now we arrived at exercise, so we are now at exercise number 3, and this is on first order differential equations. So before beginning the solution of exercise number 3, I need to give you some summary about first order ODE, order differential equations. So here we have a first order differential equation, a first order differential equation is an equation of the form y prime plus a function p of x times y equals some function that depends on x. So how to solve this? How to solve this type of equations? So I hope everybody is here. Now we have 6 persons, so we continue. So how to solve this equation? There are 2 methods. I will give you the first method, which uses the integrating factor. So first method is to multiply the equation by n